channel. It's a girl Nora. Welcome back here again. I'm excited to have you here, my beautiful queens, and today I have a special topic, and that's how to use your Carotone face cream. How to use it to make a yellow tone face cream, a flawless yellow tone face cream. Okay, so before we dive into today's video, if you get to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, turn your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. So if you're new on this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, and lifestyle. So today's topic is about Carotone face cream. How you can use Carotone face cream to make an active whitening flawless yellow tone face cream. How you can use it to achieve a perfect yellow tone face cream. Now here I know I have some group of end users, like people who will make for themselves, and I also have some group of formulators who want to make to sell. So today's video I'm going to be making showing you how to make two different kind of face cream. One is the affordable one that you can make for yourself, like if you just don't want to spend much, or you're a student here, you just want to make something simple that works perfectly, okay, with just 3 items to activate a powerful flawless yellow tone face cream. And I'll also be showing you some other things you can add in that if you want to sell it. If you're a formulator here, you want to make the active yellow tone face cream with Carotone, I'll be showing you other things you can add. So I'm going to be making two different I'm going to be giving 2 different recipes, okay? One for end users, like you want to make it really simple but super effective, and the other one for resellers, like you want to make to sell. So I'm making 2 different I'll be showing you 2. I won't be making it, but I'll be showing you 2 different ways you can activate this, the Carotone face cream, to an extreme powerful flawless whitening yellow tone face cream. So I'll start with the simple method, okay? The first one I'll be discussing will be just with 3 items, okay? When it comes to something you apply on your face, don't even complicate it. Don't even add too many stuffs to any face cream you're making. The 3 items you'll be adding to this to make it a perfect flawless whitening yellow tone face cream. The simple method for end users, for people that want to make to use for themselves. Then I'll also show you, like if you're a formulator or you want to sell it, okay, other things you can add into this to make it a more active face cream. So I'll start with the number 1 method. Now let's say, example, I'll also be giving you measurements, okay? Let's say you want to make this. Okay, I don't have most of the things here. I try as much to gather some of the things we'll be using. I don't have some, so anyone I don't have here, I will show the picture. Alright, so first of all, if you want to make a simple face cream for yourself with Carotone, okay, how to make it a perfect flawless yellow tone face cream. Now let's use a measurement for 1. For example, you're making for yourself. Okay, let's say you're making with just this 1 cup of Carotone face cream. So all you need to do is to get this, okay? You see this is, okay, I'm using the front part of my camera maybe to appear upside down. I'll still try to put the pictures. This is New Skin. You can find this in any pharmacy. New Skin, and it's really affordable. It's below 1,000 naira. This is New Skin, okay? So for instance, if you're using 4 Carotone face cream to make your yellow tone flawless face cream, you'll be needing one of this New Skin cream. Okay, let me explain this New Skin for you. This New Skin is a triple action cream. It's antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. Okay, this thing is really very powerful. For instance, if you have any rashes on your face, okay, like some cream reactions on your face, you having any cream reaction on your face, you can use this to apply all over your face to take it off. Apply directly on your face. And this thing as well works for kids, works for babies, okay? I've recommended this to most of my friends. Even I've used this on my baby once, and trust me, it was even the doctor that recommended this, and I tried it on my baby's face when he had some form of rashes, reddish rashes all over his face. Okay, I went to a doctor, he recommended I get this New Skin, and I got it. I applied it overnight, and those things reduced like drastically. I was even surprised. Within 3 days, I couldn't find any of those spots. This is something big children, baby skins are delicate. You won't really want to try too many things on their face. Okay, you always have to be very careful. So I tried a few things, and the redness, it was going on, but the redness was just all over the face. So I had to contact our doctor. I took him there to the hospital to meet him, and he recommended I get this new skin and apply on his face, and all those redness cleared within 3 days. Like I applied that night, the next morning it reduced drastically. So ever since, I've been recommending this to my customers. I've been using this as well. Like I discovered this about 4 months ago, this new skin. I normally use some other anti-reaction creams, okay, but this particular one, I discovered this just about either 4 or 5 months ago. I think 5 months ago, 5 or 6 months ago, yeah, I discovered this, and ever since I've been using this thing works like magic. This is a new skin, okay. You can get this in any pharmacy. So I used this, okay. So I used this. You can use this directly on your face. So if you have all these rashes or redness all over your face, just use this directly on those woods or some kind of redness, like those rashes that comes with redness all over your face, or you having cream reaction on your face, or you're having blemishes or whatever. You can use this directly to take that off within these, like it won't even exceed 1 week. You see all those things off. So to make a perfect yellow tone face cream, okay, I'll give you another option of this. If you can't get new skin, you can get Olibat. Olibat is also super active. Like Olibat works like this one as well. You apply Olibat within days, you see all those reactions on your face going on. That is, you can apply them directly on your face. So these antifungal creams are what you use combined with Carotone. Carotone is a BSC, it's a dark spot corrector, black spot corrector, Carotone, okay, and it's not it's 30 ml, and it has a sun protection. It has small sun protection, beta carotene. It's very popular. Everybody knows Carotone. So you will need, if you're making example 1 cup of Carotone face cream, you just need to use this one 4 times. Example, you want to mix only this one now for yourself, okay? You need to take some portion, you take a bowl, you turn in this Carotone face cream into your bowl, then you take some of this new skin or Olibat and press into it. That means if you're to make it, if you're making 4 cups of this Carotone face cream, you'll be needing 1 full of this. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So if you're making 1 cup for yourself, you need to use 1/4 of this. Like you share it into 4 parts. You'll be using it 4 times. Like if you're making it for yourself, you're using single Carotone, you'll be using this one 4 times. If you're making a larger batch, like you're using 4 pieces of this, you need 1 full. You have to put everything into your bowl. I hope you get me. 1 of this, you're gonna use this 4 times. If you're using 4 pieces of this, you use the whole of this new skin. That's the measurement, for the perfect measurement for it. So okay, now let's say you're making for yourself. So you turn in this in a bowl, and you add a part of this into it. Another thing you're gonna add, very important, the serum you're gonna add to achieve that glassy yellow tone skin is your egg yolk, Hellow egg yolk serum. Okay, yeah. So also for 4 of this, you need 1 of this. So if you're making 1 of this, if you're using 1, it means you're going to use this 4 times. Okay, if you're making for yourself, it means example, you turn in this one in a bowl, you take some part of the, you're going to use this 4 times, you're going to use this 4 times. So let's say you're making 4 pieces of this, you're going to use 1 of this, and you're going to use 1 of this. And also, if you're making for yourself, for this 1 cup, you'll be using 2 drops of the vitamin E oil. Now let me come again. For instance, you're making for yourself 1 cup of Carotone face cream. You'll be using this one 4 times for 4 cups of this. So you put small of this into your Carotone. You put some portion of this. That means you'll be using this one 4 times as well. That's when you'll be using this one 4 times of this for this one. I don't know if you understand me. I wish I could even mix it to make you more understand better, but I think you I know it's very clear. So you'll be using using some portion of this for your Carotone. Okay, I'm just gonna address it like you're making for large batch, because I'm so used to making large batch of production. Okay, so I'll just explain using a large batch. So if you're making for yourself, you know how to minus it on your own. So now For a large batch, okay, I'm going to start with using 4 pieces of carrot. So you need 4 pieces of this. You need 1 of new skin. You need 1 of egg yolk with Hellow egg yolk serum. You need about 8 drops of vitamin E oil. Then you need about 4 tablespoons of your rose water and glycerin. That's if you're making it the simple way. So basically all you need, this is your base. Your carotone is your base. So the only things you're adding are just this. Okay, you're adding your vitamin E oil, you're adding your rose water, glycerin and rose water. You're adding your egg yolk serum, and you're adding 1 new skin. Either you're using new skin or you're using only bath. Okay, I'll put the picture of this so you see it properly. Now let's say you want to make it the second stage. Let's say you want to make it to sell. You want to make a large batch to sell. Okay, you will also need another base cream. I'll put a picture. There is an egg yolk face cream. Okay, now if you're using 4 pieces of this, now we're going to be using 6 pieces of our base face cream. Okay, so if you're using 4 pieces of your carotone face cream, you'll be needing 2 of your egg yolk face cream. I'll put a picture. 2 of your egg yolk face cream and 4 pieces of your carotone face cream. That's 6 pieces of your base cream. Let me come again. 4 pieces of your carotone face cream, 2 pieces of your egg yolk face cream, making it 6 base. Okay, and for that 6 base, you will still be using 1 bottle of your egg yolk serum. Just 1. The window is just going on and off. You'll be needing 1 bottle of your egg yolk serum. 1. You add about 4 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. You will still add 1 or 1.5 of your new skin tube cream. You'll be adding this about 4 tablespoons. Since you're making 6, you'll be adding 4 tablespoons or 5 tablespoons of your root rose water. Then you'll be needing half bottle of your rapid white serum. Okay, this is super nice for facial creams. You'll be needing half bottle of this one. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of your whitenizer. Is an anti-reaction cream. This is a rapid whitenizer, cure and prevent cream and gel reactions, sunburn, eczema, rashes, and ringworm, and other skin troubles due to bleaching cream. So you'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this. This is rapid white. Okay, this is made up of shea butter and kojic acid. Okay, you'll be adding half bottle of this, 2 tablespoons of this. I'll put the measurements in my description box of everything I just explained. Then finally you'll be adding half bottle of this liquid glutathione. I'll put the picture up here. You'll be adding half bottle of that liquid glutathione. Trust me, anybody you give this face cream will thank you. Any client you give this face cream will thank you, will send you a positive feedback. It's going to beautify the face, whiten up the face, but under yellow tone. Give the face this spotless, beautiful glow. The face is going to come out clean, beautiful, yellowish with no single spot. It's a flawless yellow tone face cream I just gave you out now. So in case you don't understand, I will come again. 4 pieces of this, 2 pieces of the egg yolk face cream. That's 6 base cream. You'll be needing 1.5 of your new skin tube, or you use 2. Okay, if you want it really to take off, you want to really take off everything, you can use 2 of the new skin tube. If you're using 6 base, you can use 2 pieces or 1.5. Okay, you will need 1 full bottle of your egg yolk serum, half bottle of your rapid white serum, 2 tablespoons of your rapid white. Is a treatment serum. Okay, it's a preventive serum as well. So 2 tablespoons of this, 4 or 5 tablespoons of your rose water, 4 or 5 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. Okay, but if you don't want it really oily, you can add 3 or 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, you don't necessarily need to add too much. Okay, so if it's something you're really selling, because some people have oily face, But like, for example, if I'm making for myself, I will add more of this because I have sensitive to dry skin. So but if you're for something you're selling, you can add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, because you know some clients have oily skin while some have different skin type purchase it. So for different skin type, if you're having if you're to consider that fact, you just need 2 or 3 tablespoons of this when you're making for the public. Okay, except you have sensitive to dry skin and you're making for yourself, then you can add more of this. But if you for selling, just add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of this. That's enough. Okay, and you already have a perfect yellow tone face cream and with no reaction. This is a face cream you can use for as long as you want. It will never give you any reaction, and your face will always come out clean and clear. Your face is going to come out clean and clear, no blemishes, no dark spots, no pigmentation, and it's going to have this yellow youthful glow. You see, when you wash your face at night, apply your face cream, and you wake up in the morning, then you understand what I mean. You see your face looking so smooth, clean, baby smooth, clean, glowing face. Okay, I just want to show you how I drop this really fast, how to make your flawless yellow tone face cream. Okay, fast, the best results. Like, the result is going to amaze you. So that's it for today's video, and I don't want to drag this video too long. I'm going to put the measurement of everything in my description box so you understand, in case you don't get some of the things I explained. Okay, so that will end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, turn your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye, and I love you.